Meaning of lemongrass.
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 Lemongrass. Lemongrass is a type of herb that is commonly used in cooking and herbal medicine. It is also known as citronella or fever grass and is native to tropical regions such as Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. The plant has a citrusy scent and flavor, which is why it is often used in teas, soups, curries, and other dishes to add a refreshing and slightly tart taste. In addition to its culinary uses, lemongrass is believed to have various health benefits, such as reducing inflammation, relieving anxiety, and aiding digestion.